So I think that I am totally visible to you all. So in this video I'll be discussing about the main phase of Khilafat and non-cooperation movement, which is even conducted or which is even had placed in 1920 to 22. A very important aspect which we should have to learn from the given chapter, from the given criteria, from the given points. So in this video I'll be discussing about that. So, before learning the different phases of what the Khilafat movement is, let me make a clear understanding about the lecture which I have done in my previous video. So, in my previous video, I even said that what Khilafat movement is all about, how the Congress had supported the Khilafat movement, how even Mahatma Gandhi ji played a very important role in the Khilafat movement generation. So these are the topics which I've already covered up. If you haven't viewed that, just go and view the topics which I have already said. So let me give an explanation about the main phase of Khilafat and non-cooperation movement which is even taken place in 1920 to 22. So, the February 1920 in early 1920, the joint Hindu-Muslim deputation was sent to the Viceroy who seeks rehearsal of the grievances on the issue of Khilafat. It means that the Hindu-Muslim joint, whenever they usually joined each other for the Khilafat movement, which has been a leak for whole of the movement which has been generated, they have sent a grievance issue to whom? To the Viceroy who is under power in India. So, but the mission proved the abortive. Gandhiji declared that the Khilafat issue was more important than the constitutional reform and even the Punjab asterisks. So why here it has been mentioned Punjab, one of the northmost state, because in Punjab an incident been conducted, an incident happened which even heart melted all the Indians who are staying in the Indian subcontinent. Why? Because the cruelty of the British officers has signified how they brutally killed a lot of Indians in the massacre. So that's the reason why the Hindu Muslim united. Okay, so this proves that this the statement why the Punjab has been mentioned itself in the video itself or itself in the paragraph, and was prepared to launch the movement of non-cooperation if the peace of terms were antagonistic to the interest of Turkey. So this is how the non-cooperation movement plays a role with the Khilafat movement. It means that they both are not parallel one after another, we can even say that. Okay, because at the same time we cannot even conduct it the same movement for the same region, we cannot do that. Can you eat a food of chicken biryani, wow, tasty, to the food which is having non-tasty items like uh, bitter gourd? We cannot do so, because one tasty food should be eaten with a tasty item rather than a bitter gourd. I think that you are getting what my perspective of saying the answer is about. So, so let me make an understanding about what happened in February 1920. Then after I will be discussing about May 1920, which is happened in the year. Okay, so 1920, the term peace treaty, which came which became public in May 1920, were a blow to the rise of Khilafat leader. The Ottoman Empire controlled by the Turkey was dismembered. Okay, dismembered. That's the reason why what happened in May 1920. Usually the peace treaty which is came into public by the government, by the British Viceroy. Okay, to blow the wise or the wishes of the Khilafat leader. Okay, the aggressiveness of the leaders, the aggressiveness of the fighters who had became more aggressive for the rights, for the movements which has been done against Britishers. Usually they came to a trade which is known as peace trade in the month of May 1920. So then after June 1920, what happened in June 1920? Usually whenever we discuss about June 1920, then we should have to know the series of meeting which had happened in the year itself. So in a series of meeting held by Khilafat conference, and the meeting held along the Congress member, and 1 to 2 June of 1920 in Allahabad, it was decided to begin the program on non-cooperation towards the government. Okay, so these movements even had a great advantage of how the All Indian movement had been started. So it leads to the formation of All India movement, even you can say that. So in the different sector of Indian subcontinent, in the different sector of India country, in India, they have started their own propaganda, they have started their own movement. When they even started, what happened? So they have conferences, they have different series of meeting, which eventually leads to their further generation, further movement, further propagation of the movement against the Britishers. Okay, this is the most foremost point which has happened in June 1920. Then after, if we discuss about August 1920, what happened in August 1920? Usually whenever we discuss about August, the non-cooperation movement was formally launched in August 1920. The day was also marked as the death of Lokmanya Tilak. So we can even say that, we can say that, and sorrow thing, we can say a sorrow thing which even heart melted all the leaders who are propagating, who are fighting for the freedom of our nation. Okay, so on this day, Lokmanya Tilak has sacrificed his life for fighting for the freedom of our country. If we discuss about September 1920, a special session of conference was held in Calcutta in September 1920 to finally deliberate and decide the issue of non-cooperation. It gives an assent to non-cooperation despite some opposition by those interested in council entry. So how the Calcutta, how the different cities where the established power of British been controlled of. So in that location, in that areas, they have begun the movement. Okay, they have begun the movement in September 1920 with the dedication, with the determination for the freedom fighters, for the freedom of our nation, you can say that. So I hope you have understood the different phases of how Khilafat movement has been taken place, how the priesthood comes into existence, how the whole world, how the whole country comes into a single wave when there is a series of meeting which has been held in different places of our India. So I hope you have got a sufficient idea about what I am saying. Thank you.